guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here, hi, my name's Michelle and I'm a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful children, and here on my channel I do lots of cleaning motivation and some home decor and some shopping hauls. I used to do shopping hauls a fair bit when I first started my channel and I thought I would bring them back. They will not be all the time because if I went to the shops all the time I think I wouldn't have a husband anymore, but I went to TK Maxx today and I thought I would share with you what I got from there. Now I didn't film whilst I was in there, but they did have some Halloween stock, so if you do celebrate Halloween here in Australia, they had some really cute stuff. I didn't pick anything up because although I decorate for Halloween, I thought I had enough and I really wanted to focus on more things for the home. So enough chatting from me. If you want to see what I've got, just keep watching. First off, I am going to start with diffusers. Now, I got a lot of reed diffusers. I love them in the home because I always worry about when I light my candle that I might forget about it or if the cats bump it. Although I do like candles and I did buy a fair amount of candles as well, but I thought I can pop these throughout the home. I just love walking into a room when there's a reed diffuser. It always smells nice and fresh and beautiful. So I am going to share with you the reed diffusers. So I have got a fair few. I got a lot of the Peck-Sniffs brand. I love the Peck-Sniffs brand. Hope I'm saying that right. They were all $9.95 and I got the Calming Cardamom and Clarifying Rosemary. I love this fragrance. I have a candle in this fragrance and it's kind of got like a Christmassy smell to it, like a Christmas pudding, but not spicy. Just, I can't explain it, but it smells amazing. So I got one of those. I think I got a couple of those. Oh, and this one is the Stimulating Cinnamon and Invigorating Ginger. Again, I've had the candle in this and it smells amazing. It's a bit more of a masculine smell, so it'll be nice in Will's bedroom. I got Calming Cardamom and Clarifying Rosemary. Again, I've had this in a candle. Smells really fresh and I love it. So I will be popping this somewhere in the home. And then for my bathroom, I got the matching reed diffuser that I have for my hand soap and my hand cream in our ensuite, and it's the Gardenia and White Peach. It smells amazing. I love anything that smells gardenia, and they did have a big one, but I restrained myself and said, Michelle, you've got a lot. You do not need that. You need to leave some for some other people. There are some left if you do go into my local TK Maxx. Okay, what else have we got? So this one is Soothing, is it Clary? Oh my goodness, I'm sorry if I'm not saying that. Sage and Relaxing Lavender, and I thought this would be really nice to pop beside our bed, so it's nice and calming. Told you, I got a fair few. Sorry, that lighting's going in and out. I got 2 of the Peck-Sniffs Gardenia just so I have backup. And then another one of the Cinnamon and Invigorating. And that is all the reed diffusers. What is happening? Moving on to candles now. I love the Olivia Blake range that you can get at TK Maxx. I find you can get a lot of those and they seem to be like a Jo Malone knockoff. They look very similar, correct me if I'm wrong, but I just love the packaging and they always smell amazing. And I got this massive 3-burner candle, so it's pretty big, for $24.99, which I thought was fantastic for the size of the candle that it is, and it's in juniper and cypress. It smells so amazing and fresh. Here in Australia, we are going into spring, so I'm kind of going for more of a fresh, vibrant smell. I'm not really into like sweet smells. I find they get really sickly if you burn the candles, but this smells, oh, it smells amazing. And then I got another Olivia Blake candle, and it's just the smaller version, and it is in wild mint and white tea. It smells so fresh. I think this will be perfect in the kids' bathroom. It's just, I can't explain it, but it's just like I could eat it. even though I'm not a fan of eating minty food, that just smells, oh, amazing. And then I got another 3 burner candle, not as big as the other one, for $12.99, and this is in one of my favorite fragrances of the Olivia Blake brand, and it is the lime and basil. Oh, divine. It smells like men's cologne. I love it. That is all of the candles that I got. Going on to the beauty section now, and first up I got the girls both a shower cap. They were $7.99. That's a marble version and a floral version. It says on the back that they're normally $24.99. I might keep these aside for the girls to pop in their stocking. And I came across these really sweet Kath Kidston hand creams for $4.99. So there's like a rose print, a little floral print, and then like a little London print, so cute, and a little birdie print. I don't know if I'll keep these aside for Christmas presents, but they smell amazing. I don't think I will. I just like having a little hand cream around the house. So I just thought, even if I do pop them on like a coffee table, it just looks really sweet and cute. Have one in my handbag, one in the car. And then I got this I can never say that word, Detox hand wash, and I'm going to pop that in the kids' bathroom or the powder room, and it is in lemongrass, eucalyptus and peppermint. So fresh. It is amazing. It's like when you walk into one of those beautiful homeware stores and it smells so fresh and uplifting. That's what it smells like, and it's made in Australia. Another refill of the moisturizing hand wash in the Pecksniff England's Gardenia Peach for our bathroom. I got myself a Natio 10-minute brightening mask, and that was $9.99, and it is in the scent apricot and orange. And oh, it reminds me of, my mum used to have this cream, I think it was by Elizabeth Arden. It was like a lip cream when we were little, and it used to sit on her dresser when we were in her room. It smells like that. It's beautiful. I love it. But I've been really, I turned 39 the other day, and I've been really pampering myself of late, of doing once a week. I have like a spa shower. I'm not really into baths where I do like a deep treatment for my hair, mask, tan, and all that type of thing, and I thought this would be really nice on those days. And then I got this Crabtree and Evelyn rose water and pink peppercorn hydrating scrub. That was $9.99. I thought this would be cute in my bathroom, and can't really smell it. I want to open it. I will I'll let you know how that one goes. I haven't opened it. And I got another Kath Kidston hand cream, which I might give to my mum. Got a body wash for the kids' bathroom in Alfonso mango and bergamot. I love anything bergamot. It smells really, really summery. I love it, and perfect for this season that we are going to here in Australia. Oh, don't do that. Self a Spa Essentials bamboo headband, so when I'm doing my face mask, my hair is off my face. Into home decor, kind of homewares, garden. I got myself these cute little gardening gloves. I think they're the brand where, what's the book by May Gibbs? I can't remember, when we were little kids we used to, the Gumnut family, I can't remember what they're called, but they were so cute. They're going to look really sweet in my she shed that we are doing up, and I've got some other gorgeous things for that I will be doing a video on and I just think they're so cute. I think, again, they may be too pretty to use in the garden, but they are gorgeous. There was a couple of other pairs, and now I'm thinking I should have grabbed my mum, my sister, and my auntie a pair for Christmas because they are beautiful, and for $7.99, that is so cute. I have been after a really pretty, plain, simple white fruit bowl. I am trying to go back to simplistic colours of my whites, timbers, and grey look with a splash of blue. And I came across this gorgeous bowl. It's $19.95, which I thought was fantastic value. And it's got this cute little bumps on the side, like little beading. I absolutely love it. I wish that they had a little candle, not a candle, a cake stand in the same, because I think it's just so beautiful, and it's perfect to pop the fruit in on the kitchen bench. And the last thing I got, which I'll unwrap, I got myself a little oil pourer. I like that it's got the little funnel to pour the oil in, and it's just a nice, gorgeous, simple glazed pot that will look quite pretty in my kitchen. It's more of a creamy kind of stone look. And that was $12.99, and that way I can buy the bulk oil from Aldi instead of buying a smaller bottle. I can just keep that in the pantry and keep topping that up. But I've been after one of these for such a long time, and I saw them today, and I was so happy that I found them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love what I got. I am so excited to go and pop these things around the house. Next week, guys, I am starting my spring cleaning series here on my channel, where I am tackling every room. I'm going to be organizing it, giving it a really good deep clean, and I will be back to doing some cleaning videos for you guys as well. One, to keep me motivated, and two, hopefully motivate you guys as well. And Izzy's room reveal is coming up as well. So if you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, make sure you do so you don't miss out on any future videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!